eyes and your perfect hair and your perfect smile. How do you dare come and flaunt yourself right in front of me? 'Cause I'm so head over heels for you. If I wore heels, that is, which I don't, so I guess I'm head over tennis shoes just for use and use alone, use and use alone. Or you can come and you can go, but please don't turn it into a show, 'cause I can't bear to watch you go. Watch you leave me all over again. It was like I had a Venusaur and you just had a rapid dash. It looked like I was gonna win, but you pulled a fire attack, blow me down. You blew me down right to the ground. And I've been laying here ever since that day you ran away. You ran away from me. You ran away from me. Well, please don't push that wooden stake any further into my heart. I'm not a vampire. I won't turn into dust. This shit actually hurts me. Right now there's blood all over the floor. Who's gonna clean that up? Not me, that's for damn sure. Guess I'll just call it nose goes later. And as the world slowly slips from my view, I see you. All I ever seem to fucking see is you. And as I raise into the sky, a spirit now, I fly. I see the world for all the good instead of all the bad. But oh shit, now I'm falling down deep into the ground. It's getting hotter every second. Oh, hello Satan, how was your day? Mine was pretty lame. Got my heart broken again, but I guess now that I'm here, everything will be alright. And I walk into the light, and I wake up in the hospital from the coma that I lay. And guess who's there with her perfect hair and her perfect smile? Send me back, 'cause I don't wanna be here with her anymore. No more. Send me back, please God, I'd rather just die all over again. After all that I've been through, I don't really want to see you anymore. You ripped my heart right out of my chest and you threw it on the floor. It got all dirty, had to send it to the dishwasher. Do you know how bad that fucking hurts? So now you see why I wanted her to leave. Haven't seen her a day since that day, and now it's like 7 years later. I am in a different city, in a different social class. And as I play my guitar for the audience, I see a familiar braid, I see a familiar shade, that shade of brown and golden, starlight twinkle of your eye. And I am not surprised to see that smirk on your face. Okay, so